Welcome to this video. Today I'll guide you on how to embed a video into Kajabi in the product section and the landing page both. Kajabi is a platform primarily used by online entrepreneurs to sell courses, coaching programs, communities, newsletters, memberships, and to launch podcasts. Kajabi offers a variety of features, including website payments and more. To explore more, you can visit their website. Now let's dive into how you can embed a video. First, you need to obtain the embed code from VdoCipher. Start by visiting VdoCipher.com and logging in. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for free without needing a credit card. Since I already have an account, I'll just log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Videos tab, where you can upload any video that you wish to embed. Simply choose the video you want to embed. You can either upload your video or import videos from several available options. There are multiple options available for importing. I have already uploaded 3 videos, so I will proceed to embed one of them. Head to the Quick Embed section. Before generating the code, you can adjust multiple settings based on your preferences, such as setting up a video expiration. For instance, you can choose for the video to expire. You can set it to expire in 30 minutes, meaning it won't be watchable after that time. Alternatively, I'll set it to 30 years, effectively making it a lifetime video. You can also add domain restrictions. For example, if I enter yourcompany.com, the video will only play on that domain. It will be restricted from playing anywhere else. You can also allow certain IPs and countries, setting geo-restrictions. You can also include dynamic watermarking. This watermark can be customized. For instance, I'll use my name. You can adjust the text color using hex codes and modify the watermark size, opacity, and movement intervals. Once all your settings are in place, click on Generate Embed Code and copy the embed code. Head over to your Kajabi dashboard, and first, I'll demonstrate embedding in the product section. Navigate to the Courses tab. I've already created a course, so I'll open it. Inside the video course, click on a lesson. I'll edit the What is SEO lesson. Ensure you're not in the Media Video section. Switch to None, and in the text area, locate where you wish to add the video. I've already imported it, so wherever you want to add the video, consider this. SEO involves optimization. Go to the source code section and paste the code there. After pasting the code, click OK. You'll notice the video appearing below. If you'd prefer the video above, simply delete the existing code, reposition it, and paste it above the SEO text. Click OK again. The video icon currently appears, showing an error. However, it's merely an editor display. Once published, this will not show. Remember to click Save and then Preview. You'll see that it's working perfectly. The video is embedded successfully. Now, let me show you how to embed a video on your landing page. Click on Websites, access your landing page, and select any section where you want to place the video. Click Add Content and locate the Video Embed block. Paste the embed code into this block. The video appears showing an error, but this isn't actually an error. After saving, click Preview. You'll see the video playing here. Additionally, you can adjust the player button color to match your theme through your VdoCipher dashboard. Key security features include illegal downloads are blocked with Hollywood-grade DRM encryption using Google Widevine and Apple FairPlay DRM protocols. Screen capture blocking in mobile apps. Screen capture blocking in 70% cases in websites. User-based moving customizable watermark to discourage screen capture in REST 30% cases. Advanced restrictions like offline secure download in app, IP restrictions, and geo-country restrictions. Customize the video player as per your brand and business needs. Add chapters. Chapters are visible on player timeline and in settings section. Add multi-language subtitles. Generate AI English subtitles. Change thumbnail. Change color. Add or remove controls. Edit speed change options. Enable Chromecast and much more. Have different themes for different videos, or have a single custom theme for account. Track bandwidth and storage at both the account and video level. Monitor video views at account level with filters by country and browser, and you can also dive into per-video insights for a complete audience overview. Next, manage folder-level playback restrictions to control content access and monitor watch time patterns. Finally, our piracy blocker identifies hacking attempts, logging severity, IP addresses, and methods used, ensuring your content stays protected. So sign up today and get a free full version trial.